Hey guys, what's up? Emmy is here and welcome to my vlog. Shout out to the hardworking parents, especially those who are working at home. This video that I want to share is good for your little ones. Have you tried to carve a pumpkin? Pumpkin is the same family with the squash. It is kalabasa in the Philippines. It has a bright orange color that is widely used in North America for decorations during Halloween. In the following video clips, I will show you my very first attempt in carving the pumpkin. Please let me know guys if it is a fail or success. Due to pandemic, farms and pumpkin patches are closed, so I got mine from the store. Here's Lucho, my cute carving buddy. Before carving the pumpkin, we let him think what design he wanna create. Then we draw the image on the pumpkin. We started with a simple design so it will be easy for us to carve. Then we cut the top part of the pumpkin. Wow, there's so much seeds inside. Now we must take all the seeds out. You can use your gloves to protect your hands from getting messy, or you can just simply use your bare hands because the pumpkin is clean anyway. Now our pumpkin is ready for carving. You can use a kitchen knife, or if you have a proper carving tools, it would be better. Now we are on for carving. First, let's trace the line from our sketch. Then pull the cut up part. It will create a hole for our candle and lights that we will put inside on our finished project. Yes, first pumpkin is done, so let's do the next one. Now we're done! Yay! Let's take it outside and put some candles in it. For sure, we had a great time carving our pumpkins. What do you think, guys? Please comment down below. You can simply create a happy memories with your kids. Thank you for watching again. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to like and click the subscribe button and the bell notification for my next video. I'll see you. Goodbye.